Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I'm your news host Dharamjot Kaur, and let's get into the world of crypto with English News Bulletin. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Cryptocurrencies fall on waning risk appetite. Bitcoin slips below $30,000. Kwon dissolved Terraform Labs Korea days before Luna crash. Cardano Accelerator program genius X ISPO nets $105 million in ADA. DeFi protocol iZUMi Finance raises $30 million, launches exchange. Coinbase co-founder buys $75 million of company stock amid dip. South Korea's new crypto bill to impose stricter rules on exchanges. Microsoft founder Bill Gates joins anti-crypto coalition. Luxury watchmaker Tag Heuer starts accepting digital assets as payment. Cryptocurrencies were back in the red, tracking flat closing of US major stock market indices. Bitcoin traded in a choppy range over the week as volatility ticked higher, reflecting uncertainty among crypto traders. US stocks gave up most of its early gains Friday and ended mixed, with the S&P 500 briefly slipping into bear market territory, declining more than 20% from its record high in January. Volatility remains elevated in both stocks and cryptos, while gold, a traditional safe haven asset, ticked higher. BTC recently traded around $29,000, down by nearly 5% over the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was around $1,900, down by over 4% in a similar time span. Meanwhile, major alternative cryptos underperformed. Solana's SOL token was down by 8%, and Avalanche's AVAX token down by 9% over the past 24 hours. The dramatic story of the Terra Luna crash has taken yet another remarkable turn as legal documents reveal the liquidation of two South Korean offices and the dissolution of the Terraform Labs Korea Corporation in days preceding the dual currency collapse. The information obtained from the country's Supreme Court Registry Office highlight that Kwon successfully instigated the liquidation of two branches and an entire company. Both the Busan headquarters and the Seoul offices were slated for dissolution during a general shareholders meeting on April 30, with their demise being actioned on May 4 and May 6 respectively. The timing of these decisions has raised suspicions within the crypto community due to their potential correlation to the events compromising the financial obliteration of Terra Luna and UST stablecoin during the early hours of May 10. Cardano-based accelerator program Genius X has seen more than $105 million worth of ADA delegated to its initial stake pool offering, ISPO. This comes after firm's decentralized automated market maker and liquidity management protocol Genius Yield completed its ISPO on May 10, with over 14,500 delegators staking 270 million Cardano across 4 official stake pools, making it one of the biggest ISPOs within the Cardano ecosystem. Genius Yield is a Cardano-based decentralized finance or DeFi protocol that features a decentralized exchange with an order book. It integrates a liquidity provision model which aims to mitigate market risk and eliminate impermanent loss. Genius X will serve as the accelerator program arm of the company, providing early-stage blockchain startups with relevant tools, consulting services, and investment to build blockchain-based companies within the ecosystem. An ISPO is the Cardano ecosystem's crowdfunding equivalent of an initial coin offering, or ICO. Multi-chain decentralized finance or DeFi protocol iZUMi Finance has raised $30 million through the sale of bond vouchers and claims on its iZUMi bond USD or IUSD. Singapore-based iZUMi Finance offers liquidity services or the conversion of one asset into either cash or another asset. The protocol is deployed on the Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, Arbitrum blockchains and has about $58 million in total value locked according to DeFi Llama data. Along with the funding, iZUMi announced its new iZSwap decentralized exchange, which employs a novel automated market maker protocol and the IUSD token. Fred Ersam, co-founder of US biggest cryptocurrency exchange, purchased more than 1 million shares of the company, worth roughly $75 million over the past week, as exchange's stock price plunged following the company's weak earnings report. According to a filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, Ersam bought the shares in 2 tranches through Paradigm, the venture capital firm he co-founded. The recent purchase has raised Paradigm's holding in Coinbase to more than 3.6 million shares. Ersam also holds 1.1 million shares via a trust. Incidentally, Ersam and related entities previously had been consistent sellers of Coinbase stock since the April 2021 IPO, unloading several millions of dollars worth of shares. The government of South Korea may be looking to implement a new licensing framework that forces crypto exchanges to protect investors. A new report from the Financial Services Commission, which regulates financial markets in the country, suggests that the government will introduce a law called the Digital Assets Basic Act or DABA next year, which will be enforced by 2024. The law will seek to incorporate virtual assets into the institutional system in the country. According to the FSC's report, the new regulations will be stricter on exchanges and will punish them for failing to comply with the country's Capital Markets Act, which regulates securities. Microsoft's founder Bill Gates, fourth richest man in the world, seems to have joined an anti-crypto cohort led by Wall Street legend Warren Buffett, who regularly points out that crypto is a bubble and just a banal Ponzi scheme. Gates, in a recent Ask Me Anything session on Reddit, revealed he doesn't invest in any crypto assets. He claims to only invest in assets that serve a useful purpose. So according to Gates, the value of a company is dependent on the creation of excellent things, whereas the value of cryptocurrencies is simply based on the hope that someone else will pay for them in the future. Luxury Swiss watch brand TAG Heuer has begun accepting cryptocurrency as payment on US websites. TAG Heuer earlier this week announced that the new crypto payment option was part of a partnership with BitPay, a Bitcoin payment service provider, and will incorporate 12 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, DogeCoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, and 5 USD-pegged stablecoins. The payment facility will support more than 100 different crypto wallets and exchanges, including Coinbase, Ledger Wallet, MetaMask, Crypto.com, Gemini Wallet, Binance, and others. BitPay works by converting cryptocurrency to fiat money. That's all for today's news. I'm your news host Dharamjot Kaur, signing off for now.